Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 8338 19th Northwest. Now let me double check that address. Yes, 8338 19th Northwest. Date's November 10th, 2020. Recording this from the clean out recently installed by Oates Plumbing. What we're looking at there is a connection to the city main. As you can see, that has started to shift and break a little bit. This is in a shared section of sewer between the neighboring house and this house, 8338. I'm going to pull back from here. This is not part of the work Oates did. I'll show you when we've started or got back into the work. This is a original concrete line from when this house was built. So, or these two houses, I should say. This is a shared section between neighboring houses. So Oates hasn't done anything to the line at this point. This is all original piping, 6-inch diameter, down towards the street. We get back into a plastic repair. This was installed by the neighboring house as part of a sewer project from, I believe, last year or a couple years ago. So again, not Oates' work. And here we're going to start coming back into the Oates section. So, right there is where the liner starts. So Oates installed this liner as part of the project. We lifted into the plastic down there at the end. And as we come back, we'll get a good look through the liner here. It's installed very nicely, clean, and looks great. And now we get back into the plastic repair that was installed here outside of the home with the new clean out. So decent size dig we had to do this repair. It's actually a very large dig. And we're coming back up out of the clean out there. So that was a good look at all the work we've done out here at 8338. See, there's a little bit of work left between the neighbors to do as a shared project there. But we're in good shape for now. Ending the video.